Number 10. Eggs.
High in protein, stabilizes blood sugar, supports heart health.
Number 9. Avocados.
Healthy fats, fiber, improves insulin sensitivity.
Number 8. Whole grains.
Slow glucose release, high in fiber.
Number 7. Nuts.
Heart-healthy fats, helps manage blood sugar.
Number 6. Greek yogurt.
High protein, low sugar, supports gut health.
Number 5. Berries.
Antioxidant rich, low glycemic load.
Number 4. Beans and lentils.
High fiber, plant protein, blood sugar control.
Number 3. Chia seeds.
High fiber omega-3s, slows digestion.
Number 2. Fatty fish.
Omega-3s, reduces inflammation, heart health.
Number 1. Leafy greens.
Very low carbs, rich in vitamins and minerals.
Please like and subscribe to this channel for more.